Hello people, welcome again to this channel. So today we will talk about Zoom application, and I would like to show you the way how you can change the Zoom background on Zoom application. So the first thing you have to do is just open your Zoom application, and you just need to take a look on this button feature. There will be 5 sections there. You just need to go click this more. And right after that, you just need to go click the meetings on the settings box, and then you just need to focus on the video. There will be background and effects. You just need to go click it. So you will have an access into the Zoom camera. Here is the Zoom camera that you have here. If you want to change the background, you just need to scroll up this section, and you can change the background by clicking one of the background that provided by the Zoom application. But if you already have the background on your photo library, you just need to go click the plus button right here, and then you just need to pick one of the picture that you want to use as the background, and then click done. And then here is the result. So that is the way, guys, how you can change the background on a Zoom application. Hopefully you find this video really useful for you, and let's meet again into other tutorial.